my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 154 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It's another cold day down here in Houston, so I'm going to make a nice warm pot of chicken and noodles. It's going to be so comforting, quick and easy, delicious. It's going to warm up your body, and everybody will enjoy this recipe. Alright, you ready? Let's go cook some chicken and noodle magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my large pot of water, I added a half a bag of extra wide egg noodles, and we're going to let those cook until they get nice and tender, about 5 to 8 minutes. Alright my friends, I'm through cooking my pasta and I drained it, so all we do is set it aside while we work on our other ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large pot I got the fire on high, and I have 4 to 5 pieces of legs and thighs, or you can use any parts of the chicken, and I have 1 large onion diced and 2 to 3 stalks of celery, and my seasoning. You can use any seasoning, and all we do is let this come to a boil. Alright my friends, our chicken and vegetables has come to a boil, so all we do now is cover it, and we're going to let the chicken simmer on low heat for 1 hour. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, our chicken has been cooking for 30 minutes. So next we're going to add in our 2 cans of soup. I'm using 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. We're going to stir all this in, and we're going to cover it. We're going to let it finish cooking for 30 more minutes. We'll be back. Alright my friends, it's been 1 hour and it smells great in this kitchen. So next we're going to add in the cooked egg noodles into our pot. Alright my friends, I got all the pasta into the pot. So all we do now is let it cook, uncover for 10 minutes. We'll be back. Alright my friends, there you have it, southern chicken and noodles. Look at that broth and that tender pasta and juicy chicken. Lord have mercy. It's going to be one amazing meal. Alright, I'm about to fix me a plate, and then we'll be ready to give it a taste. We'll be back. Alright my friends, here's my plate, and I'm serving it with some green beans on the side. Now doesn't that look good? Alright, here we go. Got me a little chicken and little noodles. Ooh yeah. Chicken's perfectly cooked, and then the egg noodles is tender, melts in your mouth. This meal definitely warms up the soul. You deserve another bite. Chicken noodle-licious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat!